Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, October 27th, 2021. We have here 6 extra puzzles: letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary puzzle. So total of 6, but only 3 of them I will solve. And I've already solved one with the 3 stars Sudoku. And this one will be a number 3598. Alright, so let's get started. Before I start, I always count the printed digits, boxes. I count the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then these 3 boxes are O's. Then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Here, another story. Same story. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Same story for the first column. If I place the 4th 1 here, then we have 3 O's, still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3. 3 1s. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 digits. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this column. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. A double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Yeah. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then, need to compare, almost the same. Okay. 101. This row and that row. 11001100 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. Here we have a 1 here, this should be an O. Here we have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones in the first column, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Need to compare again. Well. 1001. No, not the same. Need to compare the rows. 10. No, this one. We have a double 1 here. How about this one? Double 1 here. The last column and this one, the fourth column. Empty box. 0011100110 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 6 minutes. Yes, great binary. You need to compare the rows or columns. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.